Ladies and gentlemen, Whitley Green. Hi guys, welcome back. Get out of here, bug. I painted the stoops. They are gleaming. Look at them. My project within a project was a complete success. This is what you want to see. Very happy. Light work today, not easy, just light work. I'll put the rough surface tape down right before I do the resurfacing. I gotta take care of this concrete. Walk with me. Heads up. I bought some double knockout rose bushes from Amazon. Remember I told you I was going to do it. So I got them. They're ready. I'm going to open up a couple holes, one right there, one right here, put them in the ground. They'll go great with the ones I have back here. Let's take a look at the other side now. Give you a heads up on what I'm doing. I'm going to get some perennials. I got them already, guys, just to let you know. I'm going to put them in the ground and then get a couple more perennials and put them in between the salvias and then get my favorite annuals and plant them alongside the landscape edger. Finish putting the tape down. It's a little work, not back-breaking, but it can get a little tedious. It's worth it, and it'll be worth it in the end. And for the first time ever, I'm going to resurface the walkway. Just the blocks here, just the blocks. I hope this turns out a whole lot better than what it is. It should. That resurfacer normally can fill little divots and dings and stuff out real good. Okay. Well, I'll tell you this. It'll be something to see toward the end. I had to come back here and get my shovel. Easy access, if you know what I mean. And again, when you're doing something like this, dig the holes first. I'll start at the second one, and then once I'm finished, I'll dig out the first one. Folks, if you're doing any type of yard work, garden work, go out and get this pad. I'm telling you, it will save your knees. Of course, I got my bucket on standby. It's a must. You don't even have to ask. Got the holes ready, got the Amazon double knockouts ready. So why don't we just go ahead and put them in the ground? I like it. I like it. Give it time. Be patient. You'll see. And you know the best part? I'll do less and less maintenance over the years. You know, with the perennials, all you got to do is trim them, the rose bushes, easy to maintain. And then I'll just change out the mulch or maybe add some rubber mulch back here. And the rest of the rose bushes, they'll fill out, they'll grow. All right, I'll rinse the trim in preparation for painting, just in case you guys were wondering. With all that I've got going on, I've been walking on the grass more than I would like, more than I should. That's why I look so stressed. But don't worry, it'll improve. Hopefully it gets green like this side. Even though this side doesn't look great, it's a lot better. Anyway, you guys know the motto. Take care of your families. Take care of your bodies. Take care of your lawns too. Bye.